Welcome back to Trading with CJ. We've got a slightly different one for you today, but it's definitely important. Penny stocks have been exploding onto the scene as of late, and people are making crazy gains out there in such a short period of time, myself included. It's easy to buy a stock when there is a lot of hype around it. The hard part and the question on everybody's lips is, when should I sell? So that is exactly what we're going to cover in this one today. When should you sell your penny stocks? And before we get into it, I just want to say that I'm managing to put out a lot more videos at the moment. So if you're appreciating these videos that are going out, then smash the like and subscribe to my channel. All support is appreciated. We've also not long ago launched a brand new Discord chat, and we're building it up. We're starting a good investing community. The link to that is in the description below. And you know, a lot of these penny stocks are coming from people in the Discord chat as well. So yeah, go ahead, sign up to that. It is completely free. First link in the description. Now, as you may be aware, I've been doing a lot more penny stock videos as of late, and this is a new mini series I've been doing, a new penny stock series. Now, I just want to say I'm still going to do my original content. I have a lot of stuff going on in this channel, and I love making these videos. I've got the high risk portfolio, the stock league, travel stocks. We love travel stocks. You know, and our regulars, Space, Tattooed Chef, stocks that we absolutely love. It's all on this channel, UK stocks as well. You know, but on top of this, I wanted to add something a little extra, a penny stock series. People are loving the penny stocks, and myself included. So yeah, that's what this is. We've got some penny stock series, but we're still going to be doing the original content. I just want to mix it up and do a bit of everything. Why not? And on that note, I just want to say that I am still a long-term investor. At heart, I'll always be a long-term investor. But with so many exciting opportunities coming out now, and when you're doing your research into these companies, you just can't help get involved. You know, there is money to be made in getting some of these penny stocks. So why not diversify a little bit, have a little bit of that as well. There is nothing wrong with making some quick gains on some penny stocks. These are volatile stocks. These are going up at the moment about 100, 200%, 50%. Some crazy numbers basically every single day. We're seeing people literally eating money right now. They are loving life because they are making huge gains in a matter of minutes in some instances. It's absolutely crazy. But these are volatile. We must remember penny stocks are notorious for being volatile. They might be up 200% one day, and the next day, guess what? They can crash back down 200%. It is that volatile. So one thing to remember with penny stocks is to not get greedy. Have a price target in mind. Decide as well whether you are a long-term or a short-term investor. If you are a long-term investor, then it really doesn't matter when to sell your penny stock, because it's not going to be a penny stock when you're going to sell it. You want this penny stock to become a $15, a $20 stock. So selling a penny stock is not relevant to you because it won't no longer be one. But if you are a short-term investor, or you're just looking to make a quick profit in one of these penny stocks, this is definitely important. And whatever that is, decide your price target. If it is a short term, decide, are you looking to make 50% or 100% gains on this stock, or maybe just a quick 20%? Whatever that is, have a price target in mind, and then you can start to work towards that. So once this stock hits that price target, that's when you can start considering whether you actually want to sell this position. Now, this is a penny stock. They're volatile, okay? Like I said, they could crash straight back down. So if you are looking for 100% gains and you've hit 100% gains, then this could be a time to maybe either take your gains out of this stock. Now, I'm fully aware that most penny stocks could go on. They could go on to make another 100% or another 200%. But that is when the fear, and that's when you could start getting greedy, and you could potentially make huge losses. If you are only in this stock to make 100%, then that's 100% more than you had already, okay? You could sell out of your position and put that 100% to work in another stock. Find the next 100% stock. This is a volatile market, but there's always going to be potential options out there. So that's one option. Take your whole profits out and you've made a win. Of course, if you're holding on to these stocks, then great. And if they're making money, even better. We're all in the market to make money. But you know what? You're taking 100%. You can't complain. That is amazing gains. Or alternative to that, you could take out some of your profits. So you've got some of your profits there in case this does crash down, but you've also got a good position left in case it continues to run. But you've made money either way. Or just take your initial investment and leave the profits in there. That's what many people like to do, because then they're playing with free money, basically. Free money is in this stock, and that could go on to make them double again or something like that. Just remember, there is absolutely nothing wrong with having a short-term goal, yeah? Only being in a stock for the short term. If you think that this can make you money and you think there's 100% gains right there, why not, okay? It's money at the end of the day. As long as you've done your research and you really do think that you can make some money from this, then it's okay to have these short-term goals. But have a price target in mind and try to stick to that, or, maybe take some of the profits out. just so you're not losing this. If we have a look at an example here, HYLN, okay, I think most of you probably remember HYLN. This is not a penny stock, and it never was. However, it's a big EV company, but it does follow a similar trend to a penny stock. We saw a big old run up, okay, and many investors were buying more and more and averaging up their price, okay, because it looks so amazing. And then guess what? It absolutely come crashing down, and it's pretty much been around all-time lows ever for the last, I don't know, for the last couple of months, something like that. You know, so a lot of investors out there are sitting in the red. They held on to this. They probably just got in this for a quick pump and dump. Most investors probably just thought, you know what, the merger is going to happen. I'm going to get some profit here, and then get buying more and more and more, way above what they thought they would get, and they didn't sell anything. They didn't even sell a percentage, so now all of it is in the red. And that's fine if you're a long-term investor, but that is very similar to a penny stock. If you're only in this for the short term, definitely try and take some of those profits if that's the price target you had in mind. And this is pretty important. Decide whether you actually like the company, okay? I know that sounds quite silly, but a lot of people just invest into companies because they hear that this is going to pump tomorrow, or it's going to get you 200% in the next week or something like that. And you think, you know what? Why not? They might do a bit of research into it and they think, yeah, it looks all right. But they don't actually like the company. They have no interest in holding on to that for a year or two, because that's what might happen. If your company crashes down, you might be stuck with that. So first off, I would say it's invest into companies you actually like. But if you are buying something for a quick gain and you make your quick gain and you don't even like the company, definitely take those profits, because you don't want to be stuck with a company you don't actually like. Personally, I only invest into companies I like, and there are a few penny stocks out there I do like. I've spoke about one on this channel that I really do like, and you know what? If it does crash down, I'll be happy to leave my money in it. It's fine, because I like the long-term outlook of it. And there's a few more as well that I've got in my head that I haven't yet made videos on, but they will be coming very soon. And also, not a lot of people are covering them at the moment. So yeah, I'm excited by those ones. I just want to give you a quick example of what I'm talking about here when I'm saying selling shares when you've hit a price target. I actually bought into a penny stock. You've probably heard of it. BNGO Bio Nano. I didn't cover this. I didn't make a video on it. It was very overhyped on YouTube. A lot of people were talking about this company, okay, and it shot up ridiculous amounts. But I quite liked them. I liked the company, and I thought this would make very good gains. However, I'm not too bothered about having this in my portfolio. So as soon as I hit my price targets, I've sold out. And I'm going to put up right here, okay? So this is what I actually have made from this company. I had 300 shares in them. It was a small position, okay? Because like I say, it was a company that I wasn't too bothered about. So only a small position, but I'm happy with the gains. My aim for this was to make 100% in a short time. And in a matter of about a day, I made 147% on this stock, okay? Which made me a profit of £705 when I sold. This is the screenshot of the actual stock right here. £705 in about a day for a company that I thought would do really well. Now, I know a lot of people might be loving Bio Nano right now, and that's fine. I hope everybody goes on to make loads of money. We're all in the market to make loads of money. For me, this is not a company I want in my portfolio for years and years. I'm not that bothered. I do think it will do really well. I do think it could even hit $7, maybe even $10. It could even hit $10 a share. And you know what? That is absolutely amazing if it does. But I've already put that money into other stocks that I already hold, etc. And, trying to find the next 100% gainer. That's what it's all about. Taking your profits when you can. And for me, it's having a slight pullback at the moment. But like I said, I do think it might continue going. And I hope everybody makes a ton of money on Bio Nano. But I really do think if you have a price target in mind, I had 100%. It ran up 145%. I wasn't holding on to it for any reason. It just kept going and going and going before I could even consider selling. But yeah, once I saw that it was at that price, I thought, you know what, I'm happy with this. I will take those profits, and we made a very quick gain. Like I say, I'm a long-term investor, but sometimes opportunities like this come along and you just got to grab them and take advantage of them. Few things to take away. Decide your outlook on that stock. Make a price target, okay? If you hit that price target, then you can consider selling based on your outlook in terms of how long you're planning on investing, and do you actually like the company? Are you happy to hold this for years and years or something like that? Use those three things right there to decide when selling these penny stocks. We are going to be seeing more and more penny stocks coming out. They are the hottest thing at the moment, okay? Because there are so many exciting opportunities coming out and people are making absolutely crazy gains. A lot of investors are going to be jumping onto penny stocks that considered themselves as long-term investors beforehand and never thought about doing more of a trade or a swing trade type thing. However, there is nothing wrong with that. We're all in the market to make money, and if you can make some money from this, that is amazing. But definitely always do that research and pick stocks you like the long-term potential of as well. So I'm going to keep doing all my other series, high risk portfolio, different stocks, etc. But we're also going to be adding to this penny stock series and bringing out more and more exciting opportunities. There are a few out there that I'm really loving right now, and I haven't actually seen any other YouTubers talking about them, or not much hype around them at the moment. So I'm really excited to bring those to you. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, thanks for watching. And as always, appreciate if you could smash the like and subscribe to my channel. Of course, the Discord link is the first link in the description as well. Sign up to that, it is completely free. Thanks for watching, and until next time.